Booking hotels with Stayker is a simple, straightforward process. Begin by clicking your event link to view hand-selected hotels loaded based on availability for your stay dates. When you've made your choice, click Details to access the hotel's booking page, where various room types and rates are displayed, including special discounts like AAA rates, senior discounts, or hotel-exclusive rates. Next, you can select the eye icon to view the hotel's cancellation policy and rate breakdown. Once you've found the best rate for you, add the room to your cart by clicking the plus sign icon. Proceed to the checkout page by clicking the Checkout Rooms button. On this page, you can review your trip breakdown on the right panel, which includes pricing per night. Once you've reviewed your trip details, proceed to fill in your information. When you're all set, click Confirm My Reservation. After confirmation, you'll be directed to a confirmation page where you'll find your trip information and receive a unique confirmation number directly from the hotel. Enjoy the ease of hassle-free hotel booking with Stayker.